Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie, and today I'm here to unbox the February 2026 Beauty Heroes box. The good news is it is Monday, February 2nd, and I already have the box, and once again, I don't know any of the information about which brand it is. I didn't see any spoilers, and I'm pretty happy that the Beauty Heroes box came on the first possible day, because Sunday, February 1st was a Sunday, so mail wouldn't be delivered, but it came today on the 2nd, so I am very happy. I also have my little buddy there. I have some clothes on the bed, but I left them because I didn't want to disturb Tommy. Let me make it so you can see him. Anyways, I don't have any hints to who I think it is. I guess in a way I wouldn't be surprised if it was Le Prunier with one of their new like oil cleansers I think they're coming out with. That would be cool to try. And they've kind of been advertising it a little bit on Beauty Heroes this week. So sometimes I feel like they do that to like throw people off. That's just my theory. And then I would love for it to be Blue Alchemy because I love them so much. And I haven't seen a box from them in the past like maybe 12 months or so. So let's open up and see. And Tommy might be yawning over there. He's bored. Again, as always, I love this moment right before I open it up to find out what brand it is. Osmia. All right. I have used Osmia here and there in the past. And I will be interested in trying them some more. All right, looks like we're getting 4 products, which is pretty cool. I see one of them is Lip Doctor, which is a lip balm that myself and my family know very well. Every one of us, not the twins because they're 3, but me and my husband and my son and my daughter each have one. We buy like a 6-pack for Christmas and then everyone gets one. Yeah, so let's check out what we got here. I also have samples of Osmia products. So I have like their black clay facial soap, bigger than a sample size. And then I've tried probably most of these, I think. And I remember liking some of them. So that's cool. Again, I took the lip balm out, but it was like that, which was a very cute presentation. And I do highly recommend the Lip Doctor lip balm. It's fun to get 4 different products. And I don't know if I mentioned this, it's a $230 value. All right, let's see here. Let's start with the toner. So it's 50 milliliters for $92. It says Purely Calm Gel Toner. More than a toner, this is a refreshing gel serum that draws moisture into the skin while creating a smoother, calmer surface for every step that follows. Hyaluronic acid and apple extract deliver lasting hydration, while white tea, oat, and caperberry extracts help ease irritation and support resilience. Aloe and niacinamide reinforce balance and structure. Alcohol-free and unscented, it is designed for even the most reactive skin and leaves the complexion looking plump, replenished, and quietly luminous with each application. Feels like a metal bottle, which I think they used to do a different kind of packaging for this. These special or featured ingredients are apple fruit extract, which hydrates and softens skin with natural saccharides, oat kernel extract, which comforts and steadies stressed skin, white tea leaf extract provides concentrated antioxidant support, and caperberry extract calms the sensation of inflammation and cytokine activity in irritated skin. So let's see if we can get a little. This is a gel toner. That's pretty cool. That's what it looks like. It's funny because it's clear. It looks like almost beige right there, or peach, but maybe it's, I don't know why. Anyways, that's what it looks like. And I actually do not have many toners, so that's good because I have a lot of everything else. But as I said, unscented, yeah, let's see. Feels like a little gel serum-like and totally unscented. I don't really get overly excited about toners. It just kind of seems like a step. So we'll see about that. All right, next up we have the Purely Gentle Mud Cleanser. I think I've used a sample of this before. 75 milliliters for $64. Purely Gentle Mud Cleanser combines the detoxifying richness of glacial oceanic clay with soothing aloe, chamomile, and honey to cleanse without stripping. The creamy, lightly foaming texture melts away makeup with ease and can also be used as a calming mask when left on the skin before rinsing. Sandalwood and geranium lend a subtle earthiness, while 3 clays work together to reveal a clearer, smoother, and more comfortable complexion. Skin feels soft, balanced, and refreshed after every use. That is what it looks like. The featured ingredients are clay blend, which is sea silt, kaolin, and bentonite. And those clarify, refine texture, and support balanced clarity. Coffea arabica, coffee seed oil, encourages circulation and revive tone. Honey, which softens and supports microbiome balance. And marshmallow root extract, which provides smoothing, cushioning, moisture. I see that it is. Oh, I can feel this is like tight right here. Like, you know that feeling like when your skin feels dry and tight? That's how my hand on where the toner was feels. Sometimes it's hard. I do a dip manicure and it makes my nails like thicker a little bit. And I can't always pick things up off the floor that are like small. And I can't always like manipulate the same as I can with my just nails when I don't have anything on them, which now I usually get these done monthly. And I went with red, as you can see, for February. All right, so this is what the clarifying, purely gentle mud cleanser. Like that. I'm gonna rub it in. Ooh, it's definitely serum or gel-like, which is nice. Pleasant tone. Scent. Can't really say much. It does have like that clay. Oh, good, I have a tissue right there. It does have like a clay-like scent along with like a little, maybe other scent. I knew it said geranium and sandalwood. So anyways, yeah, that is the cleanser. And again, it says it suds up a little bit, I think. Gentle, creamy, lightly foaming texture. And can also be used as a mask. I love when you can multitask with face washes. I just took a shower and I did that with the Alpine, I don't remember the name of it. It's like from Alpine Beauty and it's their cleanser. And it's like a white one with little cooling beads in it. And you can wash your face with it. And you can also use it as a little mask. So I love to like put it on before I get in the shower and leave it on as long as I can keep it on my face in the shower. And then, rinse it off. So that's enjoyable. All right, next up we have the Purely Simple Face Cream. 50 milliliters for $62. This is simplicity at its most sophisticated. The formula uses selective oils and clean emulsifiers to keep sensitive skin calm, hydrated, and happy. Aloe leads the blend for lightweight yet lasting hydration, supported by apricot kernels, sweet almond, jojoba, and castor oils that nourish without heaviness. The texture is feather light but replenishing, offering a comfortable, non-greasy finish that works year-round. Ideal for dryness, irritation, and imbalances, including eczema, perioral dermatitis, and psoriasis. The featured ingredients are aloe vera leaf juice, delivers intense yet lightweight hydration, apricot kernel oil, which nourishes delicate skin, jojoba oil, which supports natural oil balance, and sweet almond oil, conditions and provides long-lasting comfort. All right, let's put it on this hand. This is also metal. Okay. That's what the the moisturizer looks like. Super subtle, gentle scent, if anything. I can barely smell anything. Yeah, it's not too thick. I'd say it's not a watery moisturizer. It's like a thin moisturizer in my opinion. Lightweight. So that's in. And finally, we have my favorite Lip Doctor, which is 7 grams for $12. It says this longtime bestseller is known for its purity and performance. With only 6 ingredients and no essential oils, it provides a safe and soothing option for even the most sensitive lips. Organic avocado, argan, and olive oils. I see that my hair's sticking out right there. Give the balm its smooth glide, while cacao butter and beeswax create lasting nourishment. Lip Doctor is all gender, timeless, uncomplicated, and deeply comforting. It has argan oil, which softens delicate lip skin beautifully. Cacao butter seals in lasting moisture. Olive oil, which protects with antioxidant-rich comfort. And avocado oil, which nourishes and cushions lips gently. I have one right here on my night table, but anyways, it's fine. Anyways, that's what it looks like. And I am a big fan of this. I think it has I guess it kind of smells like cacao butter, but I've always thought it smelled a little bit like lavender. I don't know if that is one of the ingredients or not. That's what I always associated it with, but now I'm not so sure. But like I've said about this, my kids, especially when they're young, you know, so like under 10, and they get little like red rings because they lick their lips. It's very cold in Massachusetts and dry and stuff in the winter, especially this winter. So they each have a lip doctor in their backpack. I've noticed that the standard lip balms, like that they've gotten like Lip Smacker and other ones like that are geared towards kids with like characters on them and stuff, can actually like make their lips burn and irritated. And my kids will be like, no, I need my lip doctor. So we are big fans of this in my family, so I do recommend it. All right, so these are our 4 products. We have the Purely Calm Gel Toner, the Purely Gentle Mud Cleanser, and the Purely Simple Face Cream, which I think is fun. It's really a great sample of their company, you know, of course, along with the Lip Doctor Lip Balm. But to have a face wash, a toner, and a moisturizer, I mean, you could just use this and you'd be fine. It's, you know, serum. I love serums and stuff and essences and all that, but these are really great. So it'll be nice to try them together to really get a feel of the line and see what we all think. So yes, thank you for watching. Please leave some comments below. Give the video a like. I would love if you subscribed. Definitely would love to chat with you in the comments below. Have you used Osmia? Are you excited about this box? My excitement is like I've kind of like sampled this line, and I haven't really been too wowed by their skincare, but it's been a long time and I'm excited to try them. So like, I'm like so excited. But yeah, it's nice that we got like their products, you know, like 3 of them or 4 of them actually. And I can always use another lip doctor. So looking forward to chatting with you, and thank you for watching. Bye.